Hello children, in this video exercise number 3 under chapter 9 measurement of mass we are going to see. So mass is used to measure the weight of an object. So object means you can take examples like in our daily life buying vegetables to measure the weight of the vegetables. In the shop you will see certain weight machines they'll be having to measure the quantity of the vegetables which we buy. To measure that particular weight, they will measure it and they will give it. So for not only this vegetables, even fruits, rice, wheat, etc. We used to buy in our daily life, no? So those objects will be just measured using different tools, so that in that most commonly used unit of mass are gram and kilograms. Okay, so the basic unit of the mass is the gram. Here the milligram is used to measure very small weight such as mass of a mosquito, mass of a drop of water. So these kind of very small things weight will be measured in milligrams. So here I'll just show you the different units of masses. So here you can see units of mass. So that is, again you will have 7 units, which is starting with the smaller unit milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. So the short form of these units are written below, and as I've said in the previous video for units of length, here also the units of mass is also 10 times each unit. If you take, it is 10 times greater than the to the unit which is towards its right. So when the conversion parts that is converting the bigger unit to smaller unit, you will use multiplication, and when you convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, you will use division. So to just converting concept, I'll just show you one example sum. So example I have took like 6 kilogram 345 grams has to be converted to gram together, and then after converting with gram we are going to convert to kilogram. So here this 6 kilogram 345 grams, first I am going to convert to gram. 345 grams. So here this 345 is already in gram, so I am not going to convert this part. I am going to convert only the kilogram. So first I'll just split it. 6 kilogram, that is 6 kg plus 345 gram. See, it can be written as G or GM also. Okay. So here now we are going to convert kilogram to gram. So first let me just write the units: milligram, centigram, decigram, gram. So here gram is here, kilogram till we have to write. So after this gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Okay, so here from kilogram, kg to gram. So here now convert these two units, kilogram and gram. Which is bigger? Kg is bigger than gram. So this is smaller. So now we are going to convert kg, kilogram, into gram. That is big to small we are going to convert. So whenever you are converting big unit to small unit, you will do multiplication. So multiplication with what? With what value you have to multiply? So if you see, here to here 10 units, here to here 10 units, and here to here it is 10 units. Each and every unit is 10 times greater. Decagram is 10 times greater than gram. So I've written like this. So 10 into 10 into 10. So together 1000. So we are going to multiply with 1000. Okay. So this 6 kg into 1000. So when you do this multiplication with 1000, this kg will convert to gram. 345 gram. So after multiplying, you will get 6000 gram plus 345 gram. So what you will get? 6345 gram. So the answer is 6345 gram. So here also I am writing 6345 gram. So now we are going to convert this 6345 gram to kilogram. Okay. So gram to kilogram. So again I am writing this unit. So from gram I am writing gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. So from gram to kilogram. So comparing these two units, this is small and this is big. So from small to big we are going to convert. So when you convert small to big, we have to do division. So division with how much? As I said, no, 10, 10, 10. So here to here 10. So totally 1000. 1, 2, 3 zeros, no, directly I am giving 1000. So this 6345 gram in divided by 1000 will be converted to kilogram. So now 6345 by 1000. So directly I am going to do the answer, writing the numerator as it is. So totally 3 zeros in the denominator. So from right to left 3 places I have to move and keep a decimal. So now it is 6.345. That means 6.345. The answer is 6.345. 6.345 kilograms. Okay, so hope you have understood. Thank you, children.